Do you know where you will spend this summer? How about going to a camp? There are a lot of different types of camp for children of all ages. If you like learning during the summer months, you can take part in an academic camp. These camps teach everything from astronomy to veterinary medicine, from biology to robotics. If you are excited by languages, join a language camp. If you like nature, a biology camp will take you to a farm to study animals and plants. Another type is an adventure camp. You will climb rocks, go canoeing, or spend time in a forest building fires and putting up tents. Rock climbing, canoeing, and other outdoor activities are always fun. You can choose activities from backpacking or hiking to sailing, from scuba diving to whitewater rafting, from rock climbing to biking. If you have artistic talent, you will enjoy staying at an arts camp. You will learn to perform art and choose from acting, art, dance, music, to theatre or writing. Name any sport, and there's a camp for it. Football and basketball camps are typical sports camps. You will learn from professional athletes and coaches to play team games, do fencing, gymnastics, swimming, wrestling, archery, go windsurfing or sailing. If you are a computer fan, technology camps will train you in animation, graphic design, digital photography, computer programming and film production, in video game and website design. A summer camp is a special place where kids get together to have fun. That's why it's very important to think about safety. If you want to spend time at a camp, you must learn and follow the safety rules, especially if you go camping. Camping is a fantastic way to explore the countryside. However, it is not without its dangers. Campers must have the right emergency equipment, like a first aid kit, map, compass, torch, whistle, and mobile phone. Remember, if bad weather is coming, it's better not to go camping. One more rule is important. Be careful of what you eat. Don't eat any wild fruits or berries. They can be unsafe. You mustn't forget to look after fires and to leave the wild animals alone. Wild animals can be dangerous to people. Never touch, feed, or get too close to wild animals. You can enjoy watching them from a safe distance. Any camp is a good way to try new things, to stay outdoors all the time, and to grow as a person and in your hobby.